Hi, good day to all employers. My name is Gisela Cinco. I am 33 years old. I am from Davao City. I have two kids, 10 years old and 8 years old. I worked before as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 4 months. I serve 4 members. My mom, my sir, the 1-year-old baby, and the newborn baby. I'll do the household cleaning like laundry, iron, marketing, cooking, and cleaning. My second employer in Qatar, I worked there for 2 years and 3 months. I serve 4 members. My mom, my sir, the 8 years old baby, and the 6 years old baby. I am a good person, I am a trustworthy, and I am a patient and understanding. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me as your helper, I do my best and I do my job to serve your family as good and as well. Thank you.